channel. Welcome back to my channel. Why am I always doing that? It's like I want to vogue, but I don't. Stop, okay? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural and we are inclusive. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't, my little doll, baby's high doll, baby 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 high doll, baby. So happy that you're here. You know? So we have a wig review today, and this is another wig by Vivica Fox, and this is called COLMAR. Okay. And COLMAR is a lace front wig. It says natural baby hair. She has heat safe up to 356 to 392. Very specific. Okay. Swiss lace, and she is in the color P2216, or I'm sorry, P2216. I got COLMAR 4 from Mizbarn for $17.81. Let's talk about her. I love this wig for a lot of reasons. I love this P2216 color because, you know, it is a blonde and it is in that sort of, you know, 613 family, but just the dimension of the color just makes it so wearable, so easy. You don't even really need to do rooting or anything on this. This cut is just, I love this sort of blunt but wavy as well. It's so easy. This is a big wig cap. Like, I actually have it tucked behind my ears. As you can see, it comes down covering my ear. So it's definitely a big wig cap. You could shift it a little bit if you wanted to. It does have bendable ear tabs. I just have it shifted so that I can like have it not cover my ears. Let's look at her from the view. She has a very tiny bit of texture, enough to make it so it wouldn't tangle, but it's definitely soft, so it's more of that keratin treated hair feel, and it is for sure multicultural. I really enjoy this wig. I think it's super cute. It's light. It would be great for summer because you don't have anything on the back here. It feels very light. The density is nice, but it's realistic. And yeah, I just think this is so cute. And I don't know, I could see myself hanging on to this one. But who knows? I say that and then I end up selling it, but you never know. I like how it feels. It feels really good. I think it would be cute, like just like, you know, clipped back, or, you know, put a little extra wave in it, or, you know, sea salt spray. I think you could do a lot with this. You seriously can't go wrong. Like, this feels like a very, very high quality wig for under 20 bucks. So like, for reals. Yeah, that's what I have for you for this. If you have this wig and you have some thoughts, put that down below. I will include my Vivica Fox and Amor Mio playlist down below. They're the same company, and you can see all the wigs that I've reviewed thus far. If there's a wig that you don't find in there that you'd like to see, go ahead and put that down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.